So we're here in Occidental, and there's a new park slash grove of old growth redwoods. Let's check it out. This is a big tree, huge tree by mass.
Echo! Echo!
Whoa.
Come in, Dada.
This is a huge tree.
Come in, Adam. Come in, Buddhist.
The sun shines not on us, but in us. John Muir.
Wow.
Cool, huh? This is a beautiful forest.
Wow.
All right, I guess we're in Annie's Circle here. It's a good little picnic hangout spot. Where are you going?
Can't find me.
I'm gonna find you. I found you.
It's like, is that 3 trees or 4 trees put together?
I don't know. I see at least
Here's the
2.
third one. I see a third one on this side.
4. Kind of turned into 4.
Wow.
Crazy.
Holy
There's
cow.
big mass.